Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the secrets that you may have missed on the Style Showdown update. So they have these new items, which is this coat, and then the skirt here, and as well as this trench coat, as well as these like shoes here. I think those are new. I'm not quite sure. I'm just like adding stuff at this point. This outfit, you need to win 3 rounds of Style Showdown to earn this, so keep that in mind. Also, the skirt has new toggles. Let me just do guess top only. And then here, as you can see, there's like the high toggle, and then you can add on slits as well to it. And then for the like stockings, there's like a no feet option. So for instance, you want to wear shoes, it won't like go through the shoe. If you have it on, whoops, wrong one. If you have it on, obviously the feet will go through. As you can see, that's like a new toggle that they have here. Also, they have these like earrings in VIP, super cute, as well as this one. Oops, it's pretty hidden as well. Well, it's not hidden, but I just didn't see it. I wasn't able to see it, but you can like wear this super cute like necklace. Also, the hot dog costume is here. The cupcake costume is here, like on the floor, and then the Lana dress is there. We also have some new makeup, of course, new custom makeup, new free makeup, new hairs and whatnot here. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.